What it do, y'all? Marcus GRFX checking in with y'all again with another video. Today I'm doing a custom logo design, so I'm gonna be showing you what a custom logo process looks like, you know, on a day-to-day basis. Right now I got my sketch already in here. This logo right here is called 333 Exotics from one of my clients, you know, on Instagram. So if you're not familiar, go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave all my links down in the description. You can go find them there, and then check me out on Instagram. You know, I do graphics, logos, any kind of digital artwork. You know, hit me up. You know, let's link up and get some work done. But for this video right here, I'm gonna be doing a custom logo design, full color, and you know, custom sketch. So we already got our sketch done. I got my sketch right here. I'm getting ready to add all my layers together so I can put my opacity down 50%, and then we can go ahead and get started on this outline. Before we get into the video, make sure you like and share it. It'll definitely help your boy out in the algorithm. Comment below if you got any questions, and then comment below if you got anything you know you might need help with. I may be able to help you out, make a tutorial for that. But yeah, y'all know I like to get my opacity right. I turn my opacity down 50%. Make sure that's right. In this video, I had to get everything right in the right position first. Make sure I had everything in line how I wanted it, and then I turned my opacity down. Once I got that straight, then I started my outline. Before I start outlining though, I got to get my brushes right, so I just open my brush tabs, and then the main tools I use for outlining is the pen tool and the pencil tool and the brush tool. So if you want to know what all three of those are, you know, let me know and I'll explain them to you. But everybody should know what the brush tool are, and pen tool and the pencil tool. So I just use any of those three to outline. Alright, now y'all know, once I get done with my outline, I go ahead and make everything one layer, add everything together, merge everything together, as you would say. And I go to object expand, and then merge all the layers over there together. You go to your pathfinder up there to the right and click merge. Once you do that, take this layer right here on the right, well, first I'm gonna make sure all my black lines is good to go on my logo first before I do add everything together, because I don't want to have to go back and change nothing like we had to do in the last video. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I got all my black lines, make sure everything is touching so no colors get left out. Once I got everything, I go to object, expand, and then merge. Go click. Then you take your layer, make a copy over top of it, lock that layer, take your rectangle or your square, cover your whole picture, whatever color you want to use of it. Send that to the back. Object arrange, send it back. Make sure it's in the back of your layer. Then you go to your pathfinder and merge those layers together. Now you can do that and delete your background, and you got everything, single layers, and you should be able to pick the colors for everything that's in your object now, or in your logo. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the colors for mine and color mine in now. I did forget to outline the 333, so I'm gonna go ahead and outline this 333 that was in the background, and then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and outline it, add the color to the back of it, and then we're gonna put all three of these things together in the logo design. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my pen tool right here. I use my pen tool to outline this 3 because it was just, I wanted sharp lines. So that's what I did right here. Now, once we got everything in position, we got the colors in there, we got our words where you want them to go, then we can go ahead and add the shading. I'm gonna go ahead and add the shading to my to the main graphic now, to the dogs, as y'all can see. With shading, man, it's not really nothing I can explain too much like that. You gotta just know which direction of light you want to go with it. Once you figure out your direction of light, the shading will come natural. Maybe I could think of some tricks to help you out shading if you need help with that. But with shading, I like to use my pencil tool, and I like to use the pen tool. That's what I'm using right now. I'm using a pen tool in some spots. Well, I'm using a pencil tool right now, and then in some spots, like little small spots, I like to use the pen tool.